COVID-19 has exposed the hidden vulnerabilities in global supply chains built on a cost minimization model that do not provide the agility to manage demand and supply disruptions. The demand surge that's underway in a number of industries and that is expected to accelerate in the second half of 2021 represents an opportunity to fill available capacity, but realizing potential profits will only happen if you shore up your supply chain agility in the face of global capacity challenges. Taking maximum advantage of this demand surge requires that you avoid three key pitfalls. Number one, don't assume that your supply chain operation is fit for purpose. Order sizes have continued to shrink, product mix more uncertain, and customers wanting their products faster. Not having the right demand-driven operating model in place will only lead to increased reactivity, lower productivity, and higher costs. Number two, the increased pressure on logistics and operations will continue. So as a shipper, don't assume that you've conquered this during the past few years of logistics infrastructure shortages. And last, this demand volatility and variability will continue. It is not going away anytime soon. As such, we believe that your highest priority be placed on quickly reducing complexity, improving visibility across your value chain, and leveraging analytics to accelerate decision velocity. An immediate action should be to take a critical look at your supply chain team. Mapping your team against a demand-driven operating model will identify skill, capability, information, and capacity shortfalls, which will highlight where staff augmentation will matter most to mitigate risk and maximize throughput. Upskilling your team to better recognize the uncertainties driving your demand and supply plans will improve your financial and operating outcomes. This will also highlight those tactical areas that must be shored up, which we've often witnessed in the areas of demand forecast accuracy, logistics track and trace processes, and strategic stocking levels.